to my part. Welcome to Alexis Vlog. Ito na yung part 3. So, mag-ano na tayo.
I was actually right. There's a door over here. Officers, what are you doing in the middle of the train tunnel? I really have no idea. I just know I want to bomb this place. Hey, wait a minute. Didn't this container open its doors? Okay then, I'll go to the next one. But I'm really confident that now we're gonna find the next car. Also, there's nothing here. No way, man. Will I ever find the next car? Finally, you're here. Is it a Beetle? Yeah, okay. It is a very good car. I never thought Chop would like this kind of thing. But since he does, I need to take this car from here. Thanks, Train. We're in this together. It was great to see you. This car is classic and wonderful too, guys. If it was difficult before, now it's gonna get even worse. How am I gonna get the car down from there? I don't have access to that crane. And I would spend hours and hours climbing up there. I even thought that from the top of this building, I would have better access. However, I was completely wrong. Actually, hold on. I think I just found a great shortcut. I just have to jump from the right spot. Ouch. Yeah, my plan worked.
So today, kanina doon ko sinet up yung camera, ngayon naman sa ilalim kasi alam ko, nahihirapan ako kasi meron yung kapatid ko. Diba sa part, check natin yung pera. Ay, yung pera, i-check natin. Char. Yung wallet. Ito yung wallet ko noon. Pero na-open ko kahapon. Check din ako, pero walang vlog. So, ito. Wala.
Successfully recovered. I don't even know if you can call this a car. It looks like a limousine from the future. Choke will drive like a boss in that car. But who's gonna be his driver? Could it be me?
So,
hey, Chop!
Eme,
We need to have a big talk. Oh wait, where is he? Where is Simeon? Where are these guys?
Bibi!
Hey everyone, what did you come here to do? Are you crazy? This car is definitely the scariest of them all, guys.
May pinapanood siya. GTA. Sino
There's even a
nakarelate?
skull on the ceiling. Since you found the car, you will take it to my house. Bye-bye. I'm going to the next one. Alright, man. Since you're asking, I'll drive this car, Chop.
Mag-vlog muna ako, ha?
Wait a second. The steering wheel feels kind of weird. Would this car be cursed, bro?
So, dito muna tayo sa may, para walang disturb. Kasi ang ingay dun may TV, may camera pa, may diba? O doon ka na, mag-watch ka na ng diba? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, sino kayang makapunta dito? Raise hand. Sure, comment lang. Bato, be. Nag-paint ako ng bato. Sino mahilig mag-paint ng rocks? Hindi akong nag-paint niya na, si Angelica yan. Click your, click. Si Angelica, pero nasira. Nasira pang Angelica. Tignan yun. Ganyan. Ganyan, diba? Ganito kasi. Hindi. Diba? Nung kasi, yan. Naaayaw. Okay, marunong na ako mag-fix, pero sira. Natintindihan niyo ba ako? There's may water. So wet. Dito tayo kasi walang fresh, walang noise, diba? Kabila lang yung TV, guys. Remember, maingay pa din. So, shoutout nyo din si Joss Vlog kasi nag-subscribe sila. Shoutout din po din si Villamar Precious kasi naka-subscribe din siya. Pero don't worry, dapat kung gusto nyo manood, don't forget to subscribe. Kaya, kung naka-subscribe na kayo, huwag na kayong balikan-likan. Tingin-tingin sa vlog. So, okay mabuhat guys. Itong binangan na itong earring. Moday niya mong earring guys, Paluoy-luoy din na siya. Aron tagaon, magpagkaon. Paluoy-luoy din na siya. Kaya na may pagkaon. Tingnan niyo, Wow! Ito yung pagkaon guys, yung pagkaon. Bukas yung pagkaon guys, So, narita diri sa gawas. Pero yun yung taong dubang kita kay nabiya diri. Ay, chicken guys. Shout out sa chicken. Shout out din sa iri. Na, sayang kay guys. Namatay ra ba mong iri? Ay, amo ang iring. Amo ang kuan. Among tog-ana. Kana bitong ano gina guys. Kana bird, kalapati, o maya. Put. Nakalimot ko. Basta kayo saba kay nimo, oy. So, saba man kay si Chik-Chik, madto na tagsulod, pero igang man dato, oy. May na lang guys, dikaon na lang siya. Okay, no choice kung di siya magkaon. Diba? No, wala na siya choice kay mukaon na lang juday siya. Kaon na lang dira mi aron natambok pa ka. Ayaw pagpapayat. Sabaan ka. Sayo pang buntag ng tilak-tulaok na. Guys. Muli niya mong guli ko. Basaan na to siya. Ako nasala guys. Si Mimi. Let's check. Ako guys. So, wala ko GTR. So, ikaw nidira ba? So, di nakaisip na ko. Ilang dirabi mo, nataga ko. Nakaisip na ko pang vlog. Pero, dili na lagi yung makita. So, ako ipa-pick sa inyo nails. Nails, diba? Sakita sa nails. Diba, nagtingog akong nails. Car clip right, guys, ay. May melody. Karon. So, aga kayo pangutana. Kuan daw, ito na daw ko grade. Akong grade karon day guys is grade 5. Ayun. Guys, awa pa atong grade 4 pa ako guys. 6/6 kaya na may mga tin. Ano ang spelling ng occasion? Wala yung pa-shot. Basta, shout out ninyo si Jules Vlog and Villamar Precious kasi sila din yung subscribe for my channel and dili na to matumpik-tumpik tama mag step by step sa pag order. So this is my mini clip and kinsa nakatan-aw ng SB90. Kailang anak-anawang. Kailang mo po na ng duwa ng nawang. BTS. Relate ko, anak, pwede ko gano'n. Ang kalas na isa. So, tanawa kong vlog tapos mag-order. So, goodbye and see you in part 4. Goodbye and thank you for like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Alexis Vlog.